Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday and a great week. Well, welcome to my Watertown Memory Wednesday, and today we're going to be working with 3371, and we're still down here in this building that we have here, so we're going to be putting some more outline-ish stitches in there. So yeah, I thought, why not? You know, it just seems like that's the only way we're gonna get these things even remotely started and finished, you know. So what is everybody up to? We are at the middle of the week again. I'm telling you, these weeks just kind of fly by. Oh my goodness. Yesterday wasn't too busy at all because they were working on the fuel pumps. So they didn't get done till about 5-ish, and things kind of picked up, but I mean, not too terribly bad or anything like that. So I was just thrilled sick. So we got through it. And yeah, I went home and watched a little YouTube, had some ramen for dinner, and I just didn't feel like cooking anything. I was done. It just kind of drug out, and then when it was really time to, you know, get busy, well, I was pooped. I think I'm just trying to figure out which direction to go here, because there's more of this down here. So, yay. Let's see, what did I stitch on? I stitched on the ladies for a little bit, but nothing too earth-shattering. That was before I went to work. So, yeah. So hopefully I can get some more stitching done this weekend. We'll have to wait and see. There's another one right there. Using dark thread again. And kind of a black symbol, if you will. I looked all over for that stupid thimble. I couldn't find it. I didn't know what the heck I did with it. It's not like I don't have extras, because, you know, I bought those 2 cases full of them. But, you know, it was the principle of the thing. I wanted to find it. Well, there it was. Right there on my desk where I probably used it last, right? Oh, geez. Some days. Some days. So what is everybody working on? Are we doing fall now, or are you working on Christmas stuff so that you'll have it done by Christmas? I just haven't had the notion to pull out any Christmas stuff yet. I'm just not there yet. What can I say? I think I go down from here. Anybody gonna go anywhere this weekend? Do anything fun and exciting? Daughter hasn't mentioned going anywhere this weekend, and I think the leaves have about had it because, what was it? somewhere last week, we'll just put it that way. It got so cold it snowed above tree line. So I know it must have been fairly chilly up there, so it probably did all the leaves in. So, yeah. We had a lot of things going, at least she did. She just couldn't get away. But it's not her fault, you know. I have a vehicle, I could have driven up there. But that didn't happen. I just don't like striking out up in the hills by myself. It's just not a real smart thing to do. There are other people up there and around and about, you know, as far as that goes. Maybe even some that actually live here in town, so. I know a few people, but not a whole bunch. So. And the internet works, not internet, the phone, I mean, works up there, so you don't have to really worry about not having any phone connection. Did I get them all? Jeepus creepers. There's a plus sign right next to that, so that's why I was having a few issues trying to figure out where to stitch. It happens. Oops, sorry. My bad. Got out my Dragon Boat Festival little picture. I think it's funny that they put these out, but some of them I've never ever seen a kit for. So that one I just happened to know that I had. I have to get it out again someday. It's got the same kind of material as the Tang Dynasty, so it's a little stiff, a little bit hard to stitch on and hold in my hand for any long amount of time. This one is not like that, and neither is are the ladies or Riverside. So I don't know how they decide what material they're going to put them on, but it changes from, we'll call it kit to kit to kit. And some of those that are even on the white and not this dark brown are just stiff as a board. I've got that one that's a great big huge bouquet of flowers in a beautiful vase. Yeah, can't work on it either, because you do this, you know, to hold it in your hand, and then you let go of it and it just goes completely flat, like it's just super starched. It's weird. So, and it's not like you know that before you order it, so it makes it a bit difficult to work with. So, oh my goodness. Get through today and then I can just rest the rest of the weekend. This cool weather makes me want to just stay inside and not do too much, or go anywhere. Maybe I'll make some chili this weekend. I haven't had any of that in a hot moment. I've had red beans and rice about 3 or 4 times. This has got a lot more confetti in it than the hairpins. It's kind of strung out all over, where the hairpin seems to kind of stitch in rivers, or, you know, the big areas like we've been working on. So I just kind of get, not frustrated exactly, just exasperated. I just want to stitch with one color. I'm spoiled on that hairpin one. And then this one, I can probably see 5 different symbols right here in this area alone. So that's why I'd like to get the dark color in and start filling it in, for crying out loud. Feels like all I've ever done on this one is this brown. I've done more of it than any other color. So we'll see if we get dangerous and work on another thread color. There's, I think, 60, 65, 66 colors in this. So, yay. It's not a whole lot. I think there's over 100 in the hairpins. I may be wrong about that. I can't quite remember. I know that black, the 310 black is number 102. So I don't know if they skipped a bunch of numbers and just called it something different, but yeah, it was weird. Strange beyond words. And if anybody has anything they've finished or that they're working on, they'd like everybody to see, you can send me a picture to my email address, which is in the description box below. And I will get it in a stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. And everybody can see what you're working on. And it doesn't just have to be cross stitch. It can be whatever craft it is that you like to work with. We like to see it all because we are not enablers. We like to be enabled all the time. I think I've kind of got my hands full with the sewing machine and the Sachiko, and yeah, it's like, don't want to get into anything else right this hot moment. All right, whoops. Put that needle up here somewhere. Move that. Well, we're not. Oh, come on, get up there. Making too much effort. Like the house goes, this is closer, like a front view, and this is more, it's kind of going down sideways like that. Oh, sorry. It's going down sideways like that, and here's the roof. It ends maybe somewhere over here, but there's another roof that starts and goes this way right here, and then there's another whole building that way. So we'll see. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.